Hello students, welcome to electronics class. Let us continue with the Karnaugh map problems. We have already studied how to plot Karnaugh map for a given truth table, for a given Boolean expression, and also for a given min terms, and also solved some basic problems too. Before going to the next problem in Karnaugh map, let us know about one more concept, that is x. What is this x? Which is marked in the output of the truth table. See, for some logic circuits, some output conditions does not matter. That means not applicable things, like kind of thing. For some input combinations, the output does not matter, or for some input combinations output does not occur. In that case, we call that as don't care conditions. That means for some input combinations output does not occur, or for some input combinations whatever the output is, that does not matter, that is not a thing which can be considered for a logic circuit's performance. Is it okay? That is marked with x. It is okay to take this as either 0 or 1. It does not matter. You can consider this as 0 or 1. That will not affect the performance of the circuit. That time, while plotting the Karnaugh map, it is our convenience to consider whether that should be 0 or 1. That is our convenience. While grouping in the Karnaugh map, whether it is required for us when solving the sum of the product expression, we will consider that as 1, otherwise we will consider that as 0. That will be marked with x in the Karnaugh map too. I will solve one problem on that, an example. I will plot the Karnaugh map for a given truth table, and let us see how this don't care conditions work. This side it is AB and this side it is CD. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. It is 0, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Try to mark the ones on the Karnaugh map. I will mark the Karnaugh map. 0 is 1 and 1 is also 1. Sorry, it is the 3 variable Karnaugh map, so not required all these things. It is a 3 variable Karnaugh map. Inside markings are correct, is A and PC, A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C and B C bar. 0 1 and where 4 is 1 and 5 6 is 1, 7 is 0. Okay. What about don't care conditions? For 2 it is marked as don't care, for 5 it is marked as don't care, right? So how to group this? Here if I don't consider this don't care conditions, I have to group like this is one group and this will be another group. 2 pairs I will get, right? Whereas I will draw one more truth table. A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C and B, C bar. If I mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I will mark the same thing here, 1, 1, 1 and this is X, this is also X and here I have 1. If I consider this don't care conditions as 1 for my convenience, what I will do is I will take this as one quad and these two are rolling of map, these two are taken as one quad. For this I will get expression like A bar B bar plus A C bar. For this if I consider don't care as ones, here for my convenience I have taken don't care conditions as 1. This I have considered as 1. It is my convenient whether I can consider this for 0 or 1. It does not matter whatever the condition, output condition. If it is 0 also no problem, if it is 1 also no problem. For my grouping, to simplify the Boolean expression, I will consider this as 1. So here the Boolean expression will be, for this quad it is B bar plus, and for this quad I will get C bar. So which is simplified more. This is simple expression than this. So where here I have considered these two are 0 only, others are 0 only, so that also I did not consider as 1. Here I considered them as 1, so I could reduce the expression even simpler. So it is our convenience to consider the don't care conditions either 1 or 0. If it is not convenient for me to make, if I consider don't care condition, that will not be, that is not required for my grouping. Otherwise also I can make the simple expressions, then it is not required to consider don't care condition into my grouping. That also we will see in the next coming problems. Okay. Take down the problem where we will solve the problem with, which is having the don't care conditions. In this, simplify the Boolean expression y is equal to sigma m 0, 1, 4, 13, 15. Up to this problem we have already solved in the last session. Along with that, in this problem only they have included the don't care condition 2, 5, 7. For the min terms M2, M5 and M7, it is don't care condition. That means for those outputs, for those input combinations, output does not matter. So that can be considered as either 0 or 1, that is depending on our convenience. If it is marked on the K map as X, Here 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 4 is 1, 13 is 1 and 15 is 1. And don't care conditions 2, 5, 7. These are don't care conditions. So here if I don't have don't care conditions, I should take this as a pair, this as a pair and this as a pair. But these two don't care conditions, if I consider them as 1, then it is convenient for me to simplify the expression even reducible. So I will make the groups. This is of 1 quad and this is 1 more quad. I will leave this, I will consider this as 0, these two are 1s. Okay, no need to mark this, it is understood. If you have considered them as in our group while solving sum of the product expression, in the sense once only we are marking, others will be 0 only. So it is understood this don't care condition we have not included in our group. It is not compulsory to include in the group. Whether it is usable, it is advantageous for our group, then only we will consider them into our group. This is not required, and only don't care conditions we will not group it. Only don't care conditions will not. Don't care conditions will be included in our group whenever it should be grouped with ones. Individually don't care conditions, if you leave like that only, that will be considered as 0, no need to group that. If it is included, if it is worth to include in our group, then only you should group it. So here the expression will be this: for this quad A bar is common and C bar is common, plus for this quad B is common and D is common, B, D. Okay. So we'll draw the logic circuit. Also there is a draw the logic circuit using basic gates, or sometimes they will give NAND gates. Basic gates you know how to draw. I will draw this logic circuit by using NAND gates. Here A bar C bar here BD, directly you can take B and D, you will get BD whole bar, and this here I will get A bar C bar whole bar. So this will be giving as inputs of another NAND gate. Here I will get Y is equal to A bar C bar whole bar into BD bar whole bar. So I will get A bar C bar plus BD. Analyze each gate individually and then you will get to know how to draw the logic circuit using only NAND gates. Okay. Take down next problem. Zero 2 4 6 8 10 11 12 14 15 and with the don't care conditions 9 and 13. Plot the K-map and start marking. Sometimes in the examination they will ask to draw this logic circuit using only NAND gates. Sometimes they will ask using basic gates. Using basic gates, you people are already aware of it. Using NAND gates is little difficult. By practicing you will get to know. Okay. If you don't draw the circuit, you will lose either 1 mark or 2 mark. I guess 1 mark you will lose. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. We'll mark 0, 1, 4, 6, 8. 0 is 1, 2 is 1, 4 is 1, 6 is 1, 8 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 1, 12 is 1, 14, 15 and 9 and 13 are don't care conditions. So from this we can group two octets. If these don't care conditions were considered as 0, then we can make one octet and one quad. It is convenient for us to consider them as 1. So this is one octet and this one is one more octet. So y is equal to D bar plus A, or you can even write y is equal to A plus D bar. So draw the NAND gate circuit as well as basic gates. We draw both. For using basic gates, A, D bar, A plus D bar. Only one OR gate and one NOT gate required. Here A should be inverted and D bar should be taken directly. This is A, this is D bar, A bar. Here in y is equal to A bar D whole bar. So I will get, applying De Morgan's theorem, A plus D bar. See, actually for D it was complement was there, but it is a single variable in this term, so I have taken directly. Here it is not complemented, uncomplemented, but it is a single variable, so I have to take inverter using NAND gate. If it is two terms, there are two terms, both are complemented, two variables in a single term, two variables in the sense if it is complemented, then we have to take as complement only. For even and odd distinguish, you only make some logic and try to draw the circuits. Next problem, simplify the Boolean expression 0, 2, 4, 8, 10 plus summation of 12 and 14 don't care conditions. Try to draw the plot, sorry, K-map. Simplify the Boolean expression and draw the NAND gate equivalent circuits to realize the simplified. Draw the NAND gate equivalent circuit to realize simplified expression. Okay, plot the K-map. A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So it is 0 is 1, 2 is 1, 4, 8 is 1, 10 is 1, 12 and 13 are don't care conditions. So in this case, how to group? I will make a quad of this, and this don't care condition is not useful, so I will consider this as 0. Others, if you want, you can fill it with 0 or leave like that only, no problem. And one more quad I will take these 4. So what will be my expression? Y is equal to, for this, C bar D bar, and for this 4, for these corner ones which is common, B bar is common and D bar is common, B bar, D bar. Okay, we will draw the basic gate circuit. Here it is C bar, D bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, B bar, D bar. Both should be OR together. I will put a OR gate over there. So I will get the final expression. How to draw the NAND gate equivalent circuit? So both are two variables, both the terms are having two variables. I will include, you also try to draw by yourself. See, here it is D bar here, C bar here, B bar here. Here it will be C bar, D bar, whole bar. Here B bar, D bar, whole bar. If I put in one more NAND gate, what will be the output of the last gate? Y is equal to C bar, D bar, whole bar into b bar d bar whole bar. So it will be c bar d bar plus b bar d bar. So these two gets cancelled, c bar d bar plus b bar d bar. So when it is having two terms and complemented, we should include this inverter as it is. If it is having two terms uncomplemented, two variables in one term uncomplemented, then no need to put inverter. If a single variable, converse process. So you'll understand if you solve one or two problems more. I will solve one more problem. It is 4579. 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15 plus don't care conditions. 138. Plot the K-map for the given problem. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. It is A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Markings 4 is 1, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15 and all others are don't care conditions. Those are 1, 3, 8. Now group it. What and all groups will get? I can make this as one octet and this as quad. That is enough. This will be considered as 0. All others will be 0. Okay. This as one octet. So what is the final expression? Y is equal to D plus B C bar. Here B is common. In between these two C is common, C bar is common, and in this octet we can tell that is only D. So draw the circuit using basic gates. C bar, B C bar are ANDed and D is directly taken. We will get the expression. Using NAND gate, it is D bar, we will make it as D bar, and here if it is B, directly take B. C bar should be having inverter. It is B C bar whole bar and those two will be NANDed again. What will be the output of the last gate? that is B C bar whole bar D bar whole bar. So it will be B C bar plus D. That is what we have got. Any doubts in drawing NAND gate equivalent circuit, please text me. Take down the assignment questions. There are 2 problems remaining. Take that as an assignment. This is the first question. It will be having 0, 2, 6, 8, 10. 0, 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0, 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Plus don't care conditions 4, 9, 13. Okay, this is one problem. I have to draw the NAND gate equivalent circuit as well as basic gate circuit. Another problem, simplify the Boolean expression using K-map. Expression is 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12 plus don't care conditions 0, 7, 14. And they have not asked to draw the circuit for this. Only have to draw the circuit for this. If you want to draw the circuit using basic gates for this. If you want to try some more, then draw NAND gate circuit also. Complete these 2 assignments and send it to me. If you don't send, then I will treat that you have not understood K-map. Okay. Any doubts? Anytime you can call me. Thank you.